want to do is basically put like a screwdriver or something in between the rubber, like that, and then slide this backwards. And then just work it out all the way around. Just keep pulling it forward like that. And then eventually you'll pop it out like how I did this one. So you just work it out until it slides over and you reinstall them on the new one. If you have issues, you can always use WD-40 or something to lube it up, but I was able to take it out really easy with something that I could wedge in between there. Okay, so to figure out your angle that you want to cut this at to shorten it, you basically mark the top, which would be flush with this. Once you mark the top, then I'm going to use these holes as guides and a zip tie, and basically you sleeve it over like that, and then you angle it to the right angle, and then you take a Sharpie and go all the way around it until you get the perfect circle and angle. And then you could take it and angle it on your chop saw and then chop it straight down in that orientation. You put the zip tie on and mark it. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, got the perfect angle. And the center. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put the flange gasket on. So this gasket that it comes with, take the old one off, and then you bolt this onto there with the two existing ones, and then you mount your hanger back where it came from after you put it back on your exhaust. Remember that you may have to shim it in order to get it to perfectly align with your exit right here. So I'm gonna put it on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so to center it up, this muffler with the cutout on my bumper, because this hanger is off a little bit, you could cut it and weld it once you get the right angle. But what I did was I put the zip tie over here that mounts my bumper, and I zip tied it to the hanger itself to pull it over temporarily. But what I ended up doing is I'm going to cut this zip tie off, and I put this collar on it. So I put the set collar in between the rubber mount and the top hanger, and then it has a set screw so it keeps the gap, and it pushes the whole exhaust that direction to center it up. So the hole size in order to get over this little dome area is going to be 625. So if you have a collar and it's not 625, you're going to have to drill it out like I did. And now, as you can see, I could adjust it as I please in order to get it to line up in the center. So let's cut this. So we cut that away, and then you'll be able to see the set screw, and then you can see the gap and how it pushes over. And now it's fully adjustable. And then now it lines up the exhaust in the center. So if this video was helpful and you want to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.